Assalamualaikum!
Mapya mapita sa likitan nulangon.
Magandang araw sa ating lahat.
I am King Fahad.
I am Matthew at ang pamagat ng ating vlog ngayon ay
History is
Calling. Partner, bakit history is calling?
History is calling. Ganito kasi ang partner. This 2025, the first Bangsamoro parliamentary election will finally happening na.
So, after years of struggling from oppression, colonialism, sa wakas, magaganap ng kauna-unahang Bangsamoro parliamentary election. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon sa BGC para pag-usapan ang BEC.
Yeah, or di kaya ang Bangsamoro Electoral Code. On October 13, 2025, we, the Bangsamoro people, will cast our vote to choose the leaders for the first ever Bangsamoro parliamentary election.
But this isn't your usual election because guided by the Bangsamoro Electoral Code, we will choose 80 members for the parliament through a system designed for fairness and inclusivity.
Here's how it works. 50% or 40 seats for the political parties chosen through a proportional representation and 40% or at least 32 seats for the district representatives elected directly by the people and 10% or 8 seats for the vital sectors such as the women's sectors, youth sectors, non-Moros or indigenous people, traditional leaders, and ulama.
Pero alam nyo ba na sa pagpili ng Chief Minister, hindi tayo, kundi members ng Parliament ang pipili. Kaya sobrang importante na piliin natin ng tama ang membro nito. Nang sa ganon ay tama rin ang mapili at mailuklok sa pwesto ng Chief Minister.
Pagdating naman sa Deputy Chief Ministers, ang Chief Minister mismo ang magno-nominate ng dalawang Deputy Chief Ministers. And did you also know that the two nominees na Deputy Chief Ministers should not hail from the place where the Chief Minister came from?
Then the BEC or Bangsamoro Electoral Code makes sure that the process is transparent, democratic, and inclusive, giving every community a voice.
This election is more than just politics. It's about peace, unity, and building a Bangsamoro where no one is left behind. On October 13, make your voice count.
The Bangsamoro Parliament election,
your choice,
your parliament,
your future.